7 hidden dementia clues doctors won't reveal. There are 7 hidden clues that doctors do not reveal to their patients regarding dementia. But today, I want to unveil these secrets to you, so that you can understand how your body gives you signals long before a condition becomes symptomatic. I want to share with you 7 of the most important hidden clues that you need to look out for and what they mean, and what to do about it to support your brain health. So let's get started. The first clue is a poor sense of smell. Now, when was the last time you noticed that your sense of smell was not that great? Have you noticed that your partner or family member said, "You're not smelling the roses," or "You're not smelling the flowers"? It's not that you have a common cold or sinusitis or allergies. The first sign of dementia has been shown to be a poor sense of smell. If you're losing your sense of smell and you don't know why, then you may be developing dementia. This study here showed that if you lose your sense of smell, you have an increased risk of getting dementia. Here's another one. And this one right here showed that a loss of your sense of smell was a predictor of dementia. And this one right here showed that a loss of sense of smell predicted not only the mild form of dementia, which is called mild cognitive impairment, but also the more severe forms of dementia. So, this is very important. Pay attention to your sense of smell. If you notice that it's not as good as it used to be, you may be developing dementia. Okay, what can you do about it? There's nothing you can really do about it except continuing to learn new things. As we continue to learn new things, it challenges our brain. And the other thing is to eat organic, healthy foods and use your nose. Use your nose. When you inhale something, take a deep breath and try to identify what it is. Is it garlic? Is it lavender? Is it chocolate? Is it coffee? Try to identify what it is so that you can retrain your brain and improve your sense of smell. No. 2. Depression. Have you ever noticed that depression increases your risk of developing dementia? In this study, they found that people who had a major depression or dysthymia, which is a milder form of depression, were more likely to develop dementia. And even if they didn't develop dementia, they tended to decline faster. So what can you do about depression? You need to get some sunshine and exercise regularly. You need to eat organic fruits, vegetables, meats, and proteins, and make sure that you stay connected with your loved ones and friends. Number 3 is sleep apnea. Do you snore loudly and then sometimes stop and start again? If you do, you may have sleep apnea. Well, sleep apnea has been associated with dementia. Why? Because when you breathe, oxygen is delivered to your brain. If you have sleep apnea, there are moments when you actually stop breathing, so there's no oxygen going to your brain. So what can you do to help reduce your risk of dementia related to sleep apnea? Number 1. Lose weight if you are overweight. No. 2. Quit smoking. If you drink alcohol, cut it down. And number 4. Sleep with your mouth open. Sleeping with your mouth open helps keep your airway open so that you're not stopping and starting. And there are certain herbs that you can use. For example, peppermint can help keep your airway open. Another herb is hyssop. Also, valerian root can help calm your nervous system so you can sleep better. No. 4 is low vitamin D. Do you know that vitamin D is essential for your brain? In fact, there are receptors for vitamin D all over your brain. So if you're deficient in vitamin D, it affects your mood. It affects your cognition, meaning your ability to think, your memory, your ability to focus and concentrate, your motor skills, physical coordination, and balance. You see, when you're low in vitamin D, your risk of dementia goes up because vitamin D is very important to support your brain. So what should you do to increase your levels of vitamin D? You need to get some sun, especially between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when the sun is strong. Spend about 20 minutes, not more than that, to get your vitamin D, of course. You want to use a sunscreen after that? Or you can also take vitamin D3. But the best way is to get it from the sun. No. 5 is diabetes or prediabetes. Now, if you have diabetes or prediabetes, you already know that you are at risk for many conditions. You're at risk for heart disease. You're at risk for kidney disease, eye problems, nerve problems. But did you know that you're also at risk for dementia? The reason being that when you have insulin resistance or diabetes, there's too much sugar in the blood and the tissues, including the brain, and that can cause damage to the neurons. What can you do to prevent dementia if you have diabetes? Well, you need to get on a low-carb diet. You need to eat lots of healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids. And of course, regular exercise will help. But one of the most powerful things you can do is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce the risk of dementia by 60%. And intermittent fasting helps regulate your blood sugars, and it helps to stabilize your A1C. No, 6 is high blood pressure. Now, high blood pressure is a problem because it can affect every organ in the body, including your brain. If your blood pressure is constantly high, then you're damaging the small arteries in your brain, and that can lead to dementia. Now, what can you do to help lower your blood pressure naturally? Quit smoking, reduce your stress, get more exercise, go on a low-carb diet, and increase potassium. Potassium is a mineral that counters the effects of salt. So you want to increase potassium and lower sodium. And some great sources of potassium include avocados, squash, radishes, spinach, beet tops, broccoli, arugula, sunflower seeds, and fish. And no. 7 is atrial fibrillation. Now, atrial fibrillation is a problem with your heart where it's beating too fast and it's not beating in a regular rhythm. This condition causes the heart to work harder, and that puts more pressure on the heart, and it tends to affect the brain. This study right here found that atrial fibrillation increased the risk of dementia by 5 times. So, if you have atrial fibrillation, what can you do? Well, you need to fix your diet. You need to get on a low-carb diet. You need to lower your histamines. You need to eat foods that are low in oxalates. These two conditions are very closely related because a person who has asthma also has a higher risk of getting dementia. And there's a connection between these two conditions, and the best way to treat them both together is to go on the healthy keto and intermittent fasting plan. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat plan that has helped thousands of people reverse their type 2 diabetes, lose weight, and improve their cognitive function. To find out more about this plan, click the link below. Now that you know these 7 hidden signs of dementia, it's important to take action. Don't wait until you start showing symptoms of dementia to start taking care of yourself. Start today. Take care of yourself and start making changes now. So if you're enjoying my content, which I hope you are, and you're applying this knowledge to your health and you have a success, I would really appreciate you sharing your success story. So click the link down below where you can upload your success story so you can help inspire others. In today's episode, we're going to share with you 10 superfoods that seniors swear by for instant energy. Now, when it comes to food, most of us do want to really know what we should be eating and what we shouldn't be eating. But when it comes to our immune system and how we can boost our immune system, there are certain superfoods that can do just that. And today, we want to share with you the top 10 superfoods that will help you increase your energy levels immediately. Now, let's start off with number 1, extra virgin olive oil. This is the no. One superfood that many seniors swear by. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for everything from heart disease to cancer. And it's also been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. The reason why olive oil is so effective is because it contains something called oleocanthal, which is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It's been shown to have anti-cancer properties and even some neuroprotective effects. So if you're looking for a superfood that can give you immediate energy, look no further than extra virgin olive oil. You can use it in cooking or simply drizzle it over your favorite salad. No. 2. Avocado. Avocados are another great source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help improve digestion and boost energy levels. They also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are essential for maintaining good health and preventing disease. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming 1 avocado per day could reduce inflammation and improve overall health. So next time you see an avocado, go ahead and give it a try. You may be surprised at how much energy it can give you. Number 3. Wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon is a superfood that many seniors swear by. It's high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and reducing inflammation throughout the body. It also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, selenium, and potassium. In fact, studies have shown that eating wild-caught salmon regularly can improve cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. If you're looking for an easy way to add more protein and healthy fats to your diet, consider adding wild-caught salmon to your meals. Number 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. So, by eating blueberries, you'll get a natural boost of antioxidants that will help keep you feeling young and healthy. Blueberries also contain a lot of fiber, which helps with digestion and makes you feel full longer. They also contain vitamins A and C, which are important for maintaining a strong immune system. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that blueberries had the highest antioxidant capacity of any fruit tested. So next time you see a blueberry, go ahead and give it a try. You may be surprised at how much energy it can give you. No. 5. Organic lemon and limes. Lemons and limes are super astringent, which means they help with detoxification. Detoxification is important for maintaining good health because it helps eliminate toxins from the body. Toxins can build up in our bodies over time and can cause a variety of health problems. So, by drinking lemon water or lime water, you'll get a natural boost of detoxification that will help you feel healthier and more energized. Lemons and limes also contain a lot of vitamin C, which is important for maintaining a strong immune system. Studies have shown that people who drink lemon water regularly have lower levels of inflammation and are less likely to suffer from chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. So next time you see a lemon or a lime, go ahead and give it a try. You may be surprised at how much energy it can give you. No. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, which is an important mineral for maintaining high energy levels. Magnesium helps convert food into energy and also helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains a lot of tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps improve sleep quality. Studies have shown that people who eat pumpkin seeds regularly have lower levels of stress and anxiety and are better able to cope with difficult situations. So if you're looking for a healthy snack that can give you a natural boost of energy, consider eating pumpkin seeds. 7. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another great source of magnesium, which, as we mentioned before, is an important mineral for maintaining high energy levels. They also contain a lot of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Vitamin E also helps improve circulation, which can lead to increased energy levels. Sunflower seeds also contain a lot of selenium, which is an important mineral for maintaining a strong immune system. Studies have shown that eating sunflower seeds regularly can reduce inflammation and improve overall health. So if you're looking for a healthy snack that can give you a natural boost of energy, consider eating sunflower seeds. 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy digestion and stable blood sugar levels. Fiber also helps you feel full longer, which can reduce cravings and prevent overeating. They also contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining healthy skin and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chia seeds also contain a lot of protein, which is important for maintaining strong muscles and bones. Studies have shown that eating chia seeds regularly can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. So if you're looking for a superfood that can give you a natural boost of energy, consider adding chia seeds to your diet. 9. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood that many seniors swear by for boosting their energy levels. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This means that garlic can help reduce inflammation in the body and boost the immune system, both of which can lead to increased energy levels. Garlic also contains a variety of other nutrients, including vitamin C, manganese, and selenium, all of which are important for maintaining good health. Studies have shown that eating garlic regularly can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. So if you're looking for a superfood that can give you a natural boost of energy, consider adding garlic to your diet. And finally, 10. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a superfood that many seniors swear by for its ability to boost their metabolism and increase their energy levels. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for its hot, spicy flavor. Capsaicin has been shown to have thermogenic effects, meaning that it can help increase body temperature and promote the breakdown of fat cells for energy. In addition to its thermogenic effects, cayenne pepper also contains a variety of other nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. These nutrients can help boost the immune system and improve overall health, both of which can lead to increased energy levels. Studies have shown that eating cayenne pepper regularly can help improve digestion and reduce the risk of ulcers. So if you're looking for a superfood that can give you a natural boost of energy, consider adding cayenne pepper to your diet. And there you have it, 10 superfoods that many seniors swear by for giving them instant energy. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we encourage you to try out these superfoods to see how they can benefit you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on natural health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.